Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We are beyond any deeds done for the welfare of living things. We enjoy an inexhaustible treasure. Its virtues are equal to the end of the sky. The three times are one. They are not different. Our true nature is present without our touching anything. We do not harbor any ideas about desires and cravings. Our compassion is pervasive like the light of the sun. In reality, there are no differences, but contemplations fulfill the wishes of our disciples. Our blessings transform into a jewel for every desire. Appearances reach their ends in our minds. From the primordial, there have been no subjects or objects. Our playfulness may appear to be anything. It is truly self-originating. It is not anything else. All of us have dwelt within the body of the Dharma from the primordial. Meditation and even visualization are efforts that are boring. We are all gathered into a single circle. We come together in the realization of rewards that we did not hunt for. From out of the majestic blazing of the light of our awareness, there emerges a mandala of compassion that will discipline those who live. Both ourselves and others are spontaneously realized. We do not move. Our reward comes from being rewarding. We are perfected in ourselves. We have no hope or fear. We are not great or small. Everyone is equal. When there is no clean or dirty, the ambrosia is the best. We are completely pure. We are beyond faults and virtues. We are all liberated. This is a boat of freedom. Wisdom that is spacious grows without taking any side. We attain self-empowerment, so we are beyond empowerments. The three bodies are the spontaneous perfection of our own minds. There are no conventionalities with which we might divide them. The meaning of a true self is that it is indivisible.